Hi, I'm Sean with Anthem Marine, and today we're going to be unboxing the JL Audio AP300. This is their new EP lineup of amplifiers. It is a micro slim amp. When you open the package, you will have your owner's manual, installation guide, and other documentation. And you will have the amplifier itself and mounting hardware. As mentioned, this is a very compact monoblock for powering a subwoofer. Very slim form factor, easy to mount. You have your RCA inputs, USB for future updates, and you have very large, looks like 10 gauge subwoofer output wire, power input positive negative, and your remote turn on wire. After you power up the amplifier, this is a display here. You do have settings here. This does not have any traditional analog gain knobs and crossovers. Everything is digital. It does feature Fusion's Easy Tune. So if you're using a Fusion radio, you will tune everything through the Fusion DSP. You can use these without Fusion Easy Tune as well. When powered up, you can cycle through your modes, change crossovers, high and low. You can adjust your gain and infrasonic filters all through menus here. And the other amplifiers of multi-channel, you can do input channel routing and things like that through the input here. Again, this is the AP300. You can find a link to this product in the description below. Thanks for watching.